oborire ekiombe yengoyo gya FKF gukora ebikaro iliko aligania chigosori cha Kebosani nechinse cha Afrika ya mocha ekero bagenderete nimirobilio
Chinga keje chiboigo nigo mwanchu murigaria gosori igati ye timu ya Portugal na Hungary yanyate koba gieko ene kiwa hasi timu ya Portugal ya yengerete timu iyo chigori bose ya yengerete timu ya segosori yokori yagoso asama miranio yege kombe yense buna gotumanya murikito Daniel Omwaga
Omorokia abwe timu yense mupira bwenkoje warambe Stars Benjamin Makadhi omwiborwa abwense ya South Africa obatagirura bagosorere ya Nogam amo eno captain Michael Olunga asakolokie gosori enge ya kiandage komirit kuregoro ekero Stars yagosoretine timu yense ya Chelsea as Stars yadeko kunyonsora timu area ya Chelsea goli sano na sirigena ariye barara nonyanigo Makadhi nigo asabire kiombe kirigenko yemense ya Kenya FKF kukwana ne kiombe genko yo yense ngi mafifa libara wasego sori yokibosani ine timu yense ya Tanzania ya rekane kungusana ne chinkwana ne timu yense ya Kenya matukabango iga igoro ni ngoma ito mupira kubwo yonde.
I don't care who of the two, but I don't want the two strikers playing next to each other, always one drop, so the captain took that role today. So Ryan was more higher up the pitch, and I think he took his goals really well. Should have scored a hat-trick. Pretty mad at him for missing it. To make an impact on international stage like that, it's really good. From playing in the Kenyan League, then moving to Chan, and now taking your quality at international stage, and it's 3 games in 2 games, so really pleased for him and really good with the progress that he's making. And in due time, he just needs to keep himself in and around, because I think he's got the best person to learn from. When you have Michael Olunga still playing for the national team, there's no better guy that can, teach you this. For what he's done for the country is remarkable, and to still be at it at this level. So for the young players, it's great to have such a mentor like the captain there, and you see Ryan quickly is taking notes and making what he needs to make, and then when he goes onto the pitch, he's starting to become his own man, which is great, which is what Kenyan football needs. Hopefully we can convince the federation to speak with FIFA, maybe give us a little boost there to have a mini tournament where we would like to invite Tanzania, because there's a lot of talk. Like to play against Tanzania, against Uganda, against Rwanda, all the East African teams would be nice,
Makadhi niga ayakwanaya mayaga yagosoria bari tukorigoro yokuriye tigiti yo chikosoria egosoria ya World Cup yo irakorekane ime yense ya USA, Mexico amona Canada. Makadhi niga ayakwanaya mayaga yagosoria bari tukorigoro yokuriye tigiti yo chikosoria egosoria ya World Cup yo irakorekane ime yense ya USA, Mexico amona Canada. Na aseminane ebyokuriye tigiti yo chikosoria kombe ke World Cup kyo mwako goche mirongo rwa Afrika. Namibia ekabasore timu ya Sao Tome tigoli sate singira Lesagero, Sierra Leone ekanyeragaria ye timu ya Ethiopia tigoli ibere asebosa. Tanzania bagetere gusurege tindi kiegoli ya Masini Lesagero ne timu ya Niger, ase timu ya Zimbabwe yabeteka bagusura ne timu ya Rwanda egore ya asebosa. Burkina Faso ekaruma kariyo tensani egoli ndeyonsi ne timu yense ya Egypt yakokosera amagosere ya tawe club ya Liverpool Mohamed Salah. Timu yense ya DRC Congo ekaruma kariyo tensani egoli ndeyonsi ne timu ya Senegal, ase Togo yabeteka bagukunyitere gusurege tindi timu ya Sudan egoli ya Masirigena Ariesagero. Wekabonega imeyarogongo oru Africa timu ya Minyoroko emanyeke na Atlas Lions, amane ya Tunisia emanyeke na Carthage Eagles, na bwe na chire tigiti yo chigosore ekimyane kyo kya World Cup omwaka wocha omwaka 2025 na isano anomo. Natogwa kobalia ya masa ya mabaka chinse cha machengumbu aseminano abyo kuna chire tigiti ya kombe gense byakorekanete nigo timu yense ya Portugal gekora uno captain ya Cristiano Ronaldo baro temaya gana kunyensura timu yense ya Hungary chigoli sato asebere Salbia bakabaka bagosurwa egesurege tindine timu yense egena chigoli sano aserige na Ariesagero ase timu ya France yabita kwa kwenye robo bui karabako so ne timu ya Ireland. Nsoko TV chigosori nchego nkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga.